Hey, this is Scott with Star Funnels. This is Affiliate Marketing Day 4. We're going to be going into adding your first YouTube video and making it a trailer for your channel. We're going really deep with really specific things, so let's go ahead and I'll show you the good stuff. Okay guys, as you know, I've been following Joshua Elder with his 0 to 10K challenge. And this is day 4 for him, talking about how to create your first video on YouTube. So I just want to give you guys a little insight of what my room looks like here and what equipment I'm using. So I'm literally using my iPhone right now, and of course my laptop computer. And for lighting, it's taking a little bit to get to this point, but got this light here. So for those of you that are interested, I got it on Amazon. And then there's this other one here that I just had, but from the Amazon one, gave me an extra bulb. So it adds pretty good light, I think. This is my terrible background, painted wall here. We're still working on it. So that's a little bit of how I started recording these videos. And Josh breaks down 5 steps right here. And I'm gonna go into the computer and continue the video. All right, guys, so Josh's video is all about, once again, uploading your introductory video to YouTube. And he goes into explaining that you really need to be authentic when creating this video, and you really need to share with your audience what your channel is all about. And you just need to be yourself and explain it. Now, he goes over 4 or 5 things you need to do for your video, and I've written them down here in my notes. So number 1, what type of content will you be delivering to your audience? So literally explain, just say a quick, hi, my name is whoever. Explain what your content will be. So for me, I put, well, my videos are in my channel will be about affiliate marketing, and I'll be showing you step-by-step take action videos, reviewing new opportunities, blah, blah, blah. You can see that on the screen. Who is this channel for? So, Josh had, for those that want to start and grow an online business, make money from your laptop computer, which is essentially mine. And then step 3, why did you name the channel? That's kind of funny because I'm actually trying to decide if I want to change the name from Star Funnels just to my personal name, Scott Anderson, or do I do something like affiliate marketing with Scott or something like that. So anyway, but I just am needing to just stick with what I have and move on. That is my new thing. Done is better than perfect. I hope that that can motivate you as well, just to get something out there. Just get content up, okay? Because content that's published will be seen, and that's better than you being perfect and delaying the process and taking way too long, okay? That's my theory. So I, of course, explain why I named it from the beginning, Star Funnels, and then explain your background. So I did that. And guys, time out here. The reason why I'm sharing this video is 1, showing accountability, and then 2, just showing how I'm doing it, so then you can also be motivated to do it yourself and to follow along. So that's that. So I give my background, and then the last thing is to call to action. And guys, all of this stuff will be in the description below, so you can read it. But yeah, so that's that. So today we're going to be going over, which is record the video, edit the video, upload to YouTube, add a description, add keywords, add a description link, show how to use VID IQ, get a shortened link, publish the video, add a trailer to the YouTube channel, and then a little bonus that Josh doesn't go into, and I don't know if this is needed or not, but to add an end card. And so I will show you the good stuff. Here we go. Okay guys, so as far as recording a video, I use my iPhone, my laptop. I have 2 lights. I will link the where I bought the lights from Amazon, and then I also use this basic lapel. Just attach it right there, and really simple stuff, guys. In software, I use a thing called ScreenFlow. Now, I already made the video, or filmed the video, and now I'm uploading it into ScreenFlow. Now, ScreenFlow to me is just a really easy process. I've used Adobe Premiere, and I've used Final Cut, the better version of Final Cut, the more professional, and those are great. You can do more things with those, but for just basic videos on YouTube, ScreenFlow is awesome because you can, do as much timeline stuff, do transitions, and then also you can record your screen as well as yourself. So, I did 5 videos on my iPhone. I uploaded them over here, and then I added them to my timeline. I cut and split all of the transitions to just make it really simple. I didn't add like my Start Funnels intro here or anything. I didn't even do transitions because I'm trying to go with the authentic look. And guys, literally just added those 5 videos, that's it. And then with ScreenFlow, you can literally go here to File and go to Publish and click YouTube. So when you do that, it comes up here. You want to do 1080. And this is what I did. I did private and I hit published, and I will show you the next step. All right, so after we submitted the upload from ScreenFlow to YouTube, I'm now gonna go into YouTube. It took about 12 minutes to do about a 5-minute video, just FYI. So now I'm here, I'm gonna go to YouTube Studio. And from Studio, I'm gonna go to Videos, and Videos, it should then see this one right here, Welcome to Start Funnels. You can see it's in private mode, which is awesome. So now I can go in here and edit it. So I'm going to just click on it. I'm going to change the title to Welcome to my YouTube channel. And then from here, I'm going to say, you know, something like, this channel is all about, and then put a description down here. So, you know, you kind of want to include all the stuff you added to your video. So, you know, for me, you know, all these 5 steps here, which Josh goes over, which I will be including in this video that I'm recording now, goes over that. So what is this content? What is this channel about? Well, it's going to be about affiliate marketing. So then I go in here and say this channel is all about affiliate marketing and using the power of funnels, you know, something like that. So I'm going to edit that, but at the beginning of this as well, I'm going to say, please, no, I'm just going to put subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and then do something like, oh, I can't do those, but here, and then I'm going to add that. I'm going to show you how to do that later. So we add a description and then tags. So whatever your video is about, whatever your channel is about, probably add as many keywords. So guys, I use this thing called VID IQ. You can get a free Chrome app that just goes right into Chrome here, and it shows you what your VID IQ SEO score is, which you definitely want that to be high because then you'll be found. The more description you have, the more tags you have, the better the score works together. So that's how you do that. I'm going to move on. All right, so the best thing for you to do to add a link right here is to add a subscription link that actually does the pop-up where it says subscribe. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say you're just on anyone's site, like I have my own. If I click on this YouTube thing, it comes right up with my channel, but then has this pop-up that says subscribe. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your YouTube channel, and you're going to go to this button that says My Channel, and it's going to come up with this URL. This is your YouTube channel URL up to this question mark. This question mark says view _ as = subscriber. So what you're going to do is you're going to Google search YouTube subscription link, and I found this site here, and right here it shows to copy and paste this little section, and you're going to go back over here to your URL, and you're going to delete this view a subscriber with the question mark, and paste that right there with the question mark. So I'm going to copy, paste that. I'm going to do an incognito window. I'm going to show you guys how this works. Boom. All right, so here we have this huge YouTube channel subscription link. It is long, so I'm going to shorten it by going and copying it to bit.ly. I have a bit.ly account, so I'm in here. Go ahead and paste that. Here is the new one. You can change the title here. You can even customize the back half of the link. I'm just going to keep it how it is. Let's see, welcome to YouTube channel. Save that, copy this, go back over to the video editing and swap it out for this one. Okay, let's make sure that this link does work. We're going to go to an incognito window. We're going to search this. Boom, there it comes up. So pretty sweet. So that's how to shorten up the link. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys a little bonus. That's adding the end screen at the end of your video. This one's not going to be totally custom, because if you want a custom end screen, which an end screen is essentially just like the kind of, it's just an ending of a YouTube video where it says like, please subscribe and here's more videos to check out. Well, you can like literally do this cool template where it says like, this video is recommended. You have that text, and then there's like, and you put the video there. So this won't be custom, but this can at least show you how to add an end screen. So I'm in my studio. This is the video I'm on. I'm going to click end screen right here. I think this is going to be important to add a subscribe button, especially because this is kind of the intro video to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and just click add element. So I'm going to click create, and then you'll see the subscribe button pop up right here. That looks good. So I'm just going to save this, and that will now have an end screen. The next thing is we'll publish a video. Okay, so I have my title here, my description with the link, and I did a better description here, kind of explaining what our channel is all about. And I'm not going to do a custom thumbnail right now, but I usually like to. But because this is my welcome, I just want to make it authentic. I did add a bunch more tags. Kind of went after, okay, well, my channel is about affiliate marketing, so I did, you know, intro to my YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing YouTube channel, affiliate marketing YouTube videos. Anyway, I was able to get a 46.8 on the VID IQ score, which is pretty sweet. Got all those tags and everything filled out. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this, and then I'm going to show you guys how to add it to a trailer. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. So it's saved, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to go right here to public. 7:19 a.m. Hopefully this will be all right for my subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So there it is. It is now public. You customize channel. And we're going to do, for new visitors, add trailer. Boom, right there. Okay. That's it. And I'm just going to go ahead and click save. So once again, new visitors are going to be seeing that video right there. All that is done. So that is the end of this video. Guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and tip that bell notification if you'd like to see more videos like this. As you can see, this affiliate, my YouTube channel is about affiliate marketing, how to help people make money online, and overall just literally help you grow or start your online business. I'll be sharing more videos like this. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.